Hi guys, happy Mother's Day. Today I got super spoiled. My daughter got me a Carhartt sweatshirt hoodie, which is really nice and warm. And my husband got me a brand new tiller for the garden. I'm so excited to use it. It works so well. We used a little bit yesterday. And today I'm going to do hopefully as much as I can for the first tilling session. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. So, right now what we're doing, my husband has the TYM right now, and he's using the grapple, and he's smoothing out the tractor ruts, because we had a heck of a time yesterday tilling this area because there was so many tractor tire ruts, and it was giving me a bit of a hard time. So to eliminate some slight aggravation, he's being a gentleman and helping me out again and smoothing all of the tire ruts out so I can have an easier time using my tiller. Yay! It's all coming together. I'm gonna add this. He's nice and enclosed in the tractor. I am currently receiving my penance because I am being swarmed by little black fruit fly type flies right now that are driving me insane. I already swallowed 2. That's okay. That's the joy of gardening, dealing with the bugs. Okay, so here we have the tiller, the Benchmark 20-inch 212 cc's gas-powered rear tine tiller, which means when you go forward, the tines are going backwards. How to start it? Okay, so first off, come around to the front. Right here, you have 2. This is the top one is your throttle, your choke. The bottom one here is your gas. So you turn your gas on, and then you pull it slow and put it back in slowly. Put over here, turn to the on position, throttles in, you got the handle, pull it to start. It may take a little bit. Open that up a little bit. Gas is on. Let her warm up. Rolling. There you go. Easy peasy. Currently, the wheels are on dry right now. So when you go forward, it drives itself. Turn it off. Increase this. And turn it off. Now, currently the tires are set for drive mode. If you want them to freewheel so you can push it around without running it, you take these pins here out, you push the wheel further in, and then you put the pin back in without it being through the hub. Push them out, in, throw this pin back in, and then they're freewheeling, so you'll have to push it and manpower it. In this situation, in mine, with my garden here, it's a lot easier to have it on drive mode because I could use the extra hand to get it going. Now, the switches. I'll turn it back on. To go forward, you push this button, that's your safety, push it down, pull it down, it drives forward. to go in reverse if you are stuck. This one, push down, and it goes in reverse. And there you have it. Now I'm going to have me some tiller fun. Okay, I'm caving. There's a lot of bugs. Bug jacket it is. One of my favorite parts about gardening is the bugs. Good thing somebody invented these. I deeply appreciate it. And gloves. Make sure you're wearing gloves, because with the working in the tiller, you end up with some nasty blisters. Well, tiller pass number 1 is complete. It's looking really sharp. You don't really realize how big your garden is until you level it out and you till it. I can't even get it in one shot. So probably 3 or 4 more passes with the tiller. Then I'm going to add some topsoil to it. Maybe a little bit of sheep manure. Toss it up again. I'll do that throughout this week. And then probably next weekend I'll be making my rows, and depending on the weather, I might be planting. Stay tuned, have fun, be safe. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there. And like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Have a great day.